Imagine you're in a fast-paced race, rushing towards the finish line, focused solely on yourself, your own goals and your own dreams. But what if there's a whole world beyond your tunnel vision? A world where you're not just an individual, but a part of something bigger, something connected to others, to the future, to life itself. It's easy to get caught up in the rat race, to think that your worth is measured by your achievements, your possessions, or the number of followers you have on social media. But what happens when those things fade away? What happens when you're no longer the hot new talent in the market? When your savings aren't enough to support you through retirement? When your friends move away or start their own families? That's why it's important to see beyond yourself, to understand that you're not just a collection of individual experiences, but a part of a larger tapestry of life. And there are 4 key areas where seeing beyond yourself can make a big difference. Scene script. The world is constantly changing, and the skills that are in demand today may not be the same tomorrow. So it's important to keep learning, to adapt, and to be open to new possibilities. Don't let yourself become obsolete. Stay curious, stay hungry, and keep evolving. That's why it's important to think outside the box, to explore different investment options, and to seek professional advice if needed. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments, plan for the unexpected, and secure your financial future. It's a natural part of life. Don't cling to the past or get too attached to any one person. Instead, be open to new connections. Make an effort to stay in touch with old friends and cherish the friendships that you have right now. Build a solid social network, nurture meaningful connections, and embrace the ebb and flow of friendships. That doesn't mean you'll stop loving them or that they'll stop loving you. It just means that the relationship will change. Be supportive, be understanding, and be there for them when they need you. But don't make them your whole world. Find your own purpose, pursue your own passions, and cultivate a sense of fulfillment outside of your familial roles. Remember, seeing beyond yourself is not about denying your individuality or forgetting about your own goals and dreams. It's about expanding your horizons, recognizing your interconnectedness with others, and creating a life that is meaningful, fulfilling, and impactful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. We would be grateful for your feedback on this video. We value all perspectives, and we are always open to engaging with those who think differently.